Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Or more like I should be saying that to myself, because gosh damn have I been out of the game realistically. Yeah, I've been having other videos posted, but as I've said in my video earlier this week, I was having a friend visit from out of town and I was putting more focus on that than actual content for the channel, which is why one of my videos was just literally an ad for Gig Tax, which I will be repurposing at a different point, but that's not the only reason I'm doing this. One of the things that I have acknowledged about myself is that I have a hard time restarting as opposed to maintaining, which is why one of the things that I say for myself is one of the best ways to stay on game is to never turn it off. Always be hustling, always be putting in the work. And what I'm noticing thus far is that I'm having a hard time getting back into the groove of doing my own work and getting my stuff done. Because I was basically off for 3 days entertaining guests. And I'm gonna be off for even more time later this month for a wedding, but that's really not the point. The point is, it's been eventful to say the least. That also said, I am in the process of working on other things as well. I've also been noticing how that's leaking into my other business life as well. Like, even just normal gigs, I'm forgetting that it is spring break out here and parking is borderline impossible. So don't pick up from places that don't have parking and are by the beach. That should be common sense to me as a gig worker at this point, but it's not. We're starting off strong though, so I guess there's a positive with that because we're progressing some other stuff. Nevertheless, as you can tell, I am officially back. I am gonna be back in my comments section. I'm gonna be back in the thick of it, and I'm looking forward to grinding. It feels good to get back to work. I don't know what it is. I just feel better when I'm getting stuff done. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time.